Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am with you Mudassar Iqbal and today we are going to discuss acronym, initialism, abbreviation and mnemonic. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं acronym. Acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word. In fact, acronym is a form of abbreviation and that is formed from the initial letters of other words and it is pronounced as a word. Acronym is pronounced as a separate word but it is made from the initial letters of other words. For example, AIDS. AIDS is pronounced as a separate word but it is made from the initial letters of acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Similarly, ASAP. ASAP is pronounced as a separate word. It is made from the initial letters of as soon as possible. AWOL. It is made from the initial letters of absent without official leave. IMAX. IMAX is made from the initial letters of image maximum. Laser. Laser is made from the initial letters of light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Moreover, PIN. PIN is made from the personal identification number. And radar. Radar is made from the initial letters of radio detection and ranging. Let's move to abbreviation. Abbreviation is a shortened form of a written word or phrase. It is not made from the initial letters of other words, but it is a shortened form of other words or phrases. For example, AST. It is made from established. ETA. It is made from the estimated time of arrival. ETA in fact is an example of initialism, but however it is abbreviation, so we add it here also. Min, that is used for minute or minimum. Misc, that is used for miscellaneous. For Mr. we use MR and we say it Mr. Mrs. For mistress, no use is for number. Tel is used for telephone. And temperature, temp is used for temperature or temporary. And versus we use VS. Let's see the basic difference between acronym and abbreviation. Acronym is pronounced as a separate word, but all abbreviations are not pronounced as separate words. All acronyms are abbreviations, but not every abbreviation is an acronym. So तमाम जो acronyms होती हैं वो in fact abbreviation ही होती हैं, लेकिन जो सारी abbreviation है these are not acronyms. So let's go to see mnemonic. Mnemonic is in fact a device such as a pattern of letters, ideas, or association that assist in remembering something. In fact, it is a memory device to memorize something. Sometimes we use a phrase to memorize a paragraph. Sometimes we use a word to memorize a phrase. So it is a device for a memory to memorize something. For example, in order to memorize a phrase, a rat in the house may eat the ice cream, I use the word arithmetic. So every word of arithmetic is used for this phrase. A rat in the house may eat the ice cream. So I just memorize arithmetic, and in that way it will help me to memorize the whole phrase. Because I use the word because to memorize, big elephants can always understand small elephants. Similarly, does. I use the word does to memorize daddy only eats sandwiches. So the initial letters of the phrase daddy only eats sandwiches, I meet the word does. So I keep in mind does. That will make me remember the whole phrase daddy only eats sandwiches. Geography. In order to memorize the phrase George's elderly old grandfather rode a pig home yesterday. Similarly, in order to memorize the order of planets, I use a phrase, my very excited mother just served us 9 peas. And my stands for Mercury, very, Venus. Excited is used, the initial letter of excited is used for Earth, and the initial letter of mother is used for Mars. The initial letter of just is used for Jupiter, and similarly the initial letter of served is used for Saturn. Us is used for Uranus, 9 is used for Neptune, and P's is used for the initial letter of P's is used for Pluto. So if I memorize the sentence, my very excited mother just served us 9 peas, I could be able to memorize the order of planets. Initialism. Initialism is also a form of abbreviation. It consists of initial letters pronounced separately. If we see acronym में हम जो words हैं वो form करते हैं from the initial letters of other words and make it a word that is pronounced separately. For example, AIDS. But in initialism, we make a word that is pronounced separately. For example, CIA. CIA is pronounced separately for Central Intelligence Agency. EU is used for European Union. Similarly, RPM is used for revolutions per minute. DVD is used for digital versatile disc. CD is used for compact disc. ATM is used for automated teller machine. And BRB is used for be right back. So इनिशियलिज्म और एक्रोनिम में यही डिफरेंस है कि इनिशियलिज्म में जो लेटर्स हैं उनको सेपरेटली प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है, लेकिन एक्रोनिम के अंदर जो है उनको एक स्पेसिफिक वर्ड बना दिया जाता है। व्यूअर्स, अब तक के लिए इतना ही। कमेंट्स में अपनी राय का इजहार जरूर कीजिए। हमारे चैनल ट्रैकिंग कॉर्नर को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। गुड बाय।